Hey boys and girls, this is lesson 121-1. You should have already taken your fact assessment and you should have been timed for 1 minute. Now remember, you need to keep this because you're going to use it tomorrow. You'll do your facts tomorrow for 2 minutes and then I will read you your test and you will complete your test. Okay? Now, moving on towards our lesson today. Our lesson today is with groups of 3. So, Henry was nice enough to let me use his cars. Okay? I'm going to put them into groups of 3. So, here's one. And I know this isn't going to be the greatest. Here's another. Here's another. And then I have an extra. So I'm going to put that off to the side. So I have how many groups? I have 3 groups. 3 groups times how many is in each? 1, 2, 3. And then if we count 3, 6, 9. We have our multiplication problem of 3 times 3 equals 9. All right, so now let's go ahead and take this group away. So now I have, how many groups do I have, boys and girls? 2 times 3 equals 2 times 3. You should know that one. Is 6. Now if I take my group away, I have 1 group times 3 would give me, well, you just have to count them up and it would be 3. And of course we know that if we have 0 groups, 0 times 3 would be 0. All right, now I'm going to put these groups back. So I have 1 group, 2 groups. I should have used something smaller, I guess. 3 groups. All right, now I have 4 groups. And now I have 5 groups. So you should know that one already. 5 groups times 3 equals, 5 times 3 is 15. That one you learned. So now if we take one of those groups away, they're divided into 4. 4 groups times 3 is, if we count by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12. We have 12. So now I don't have enough space to do the rest of the problems, but you know what? We will do them on the whiteboard together. So I've done 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I need 6 groups times 3 equals, well, let's count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Now if I have 7 groups of 3, well, what will come after 18 if I went up 3 more? 21. Okay, now I'm going to do 8 groups times 3. Well, 21, 24. 9 times 3 is going to be 27. Do you remember how I told you how to do the nines trick when we were in class? So I'm going to put down my third finger. So I separate it here. I have 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 27. And then, of course, we know 10 times 3 equals 30. So we have our times 3. So what do you think you're going to be working on? You got it. Times 3. All right. Let's get out your workbook. Get out your workbook. And we're going to open up to 120 here. And we're going to go through these. All right. 0 times 3 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 3 is 24. 9 times 3 is 27. All right. So blank times 3 equals 6. So which one equals 6 up here? This one. So I know it's going to be 2. What times 3 equals 21? 7. Blank times 3 equals 3. 1. Blank times 3 equals 27. 9. Blank times 3 equals 12. 4. All right. Now we have to go ahead and match them. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 6 times 3 is 18. 0 times 3 is 0, excuse me. 4 times 3 is 12. 8 times 3 is 24. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 3 is 6. All right, I'll see you in a couple of minutes for 121-1A. Bye, boys and girls.